In continuation of our exercise 2.3, chapter 2, class 8th mathematics, linear equations in one variable, we are going to solve question number 7. And the question is, solve the following equations and we have to check our results. So we have the question, x equals 4 over 5. This whole is getting multiplied with x plus 10. Now we are going to solve it. In first step, we will write the question as it is, so we wrote the same. Since this is 4 by 5 and we have taken it as common, so we can operate on this. Here 5 is getting divided up. When we will transpose it towards left hand side, it will get multiplied up. So we are doing the same in this step and simultaneously we will solve the bracket. So 5 is transposed towards left hand side, it gets multiplied. So 5 times x. Here we are left with 4 which is getting multiplied with x plus 10. So 4 into x is 4x and 4 into 10 is 40 and we have plus sign in between. Here you may be in doubt why we haven't solved brackets first. Well, you could do so, but that would be a lengthy process. That is, we have to first multiply 4 by 5 into x plus then 4 by 5 into 10. That would made this question a little bit complicated. Well, keep this thing in mind that whenever you have a common, then you can operate on common. That is the whole purpose of taking common. That is making our calculation easier. This you will get with practice. So we are in this step. Now it is a simple equation to solve. We will separate this right hand side for the constants only. And we will shift variable. So here we have variable as 4 times x. We will transpose it towards left hand side. It will get subtracted up. So 5 times x as it is minus 4x and equal to as it is, we are left with 40 on right hand side. 5x minus 4x, it is simple. We have x and which is separated and its value came as 40. Now we have to check. In checking, we first of all write the given equation as it is, and wherever we find the given variable, we try to plug the solution that we have found. In place of x, we write 40 because it is our solution that we have found. Equal as it is, 4 by 5 as it is, 40 plus 10 is 50, so we wrote straight away, cancelling opportunity, 1 5 is a 5, 10 5 is a 50. 40 as it is on left hand side, equals as it is, and 4 into 10 is 40, and we got left hand side equals to right hand side. This proves that our solution that we have found as equal to 40 is correct. That completes the question number 7th. Moving on to question number 8th. It is 2 times x over 3 plus 1 equals to 7 times x upon 15 plus 3. In first step, we write the question as it is. In this, we will not try to solve it. That is, we will not try to make denominators common. First of all, we will try to separate the variables. So we have two variable terms, that is 2x over 3 on left hand side and 7x over 15 on right hand side. We will try to shift this variable on right hand side towards left hand side. Here it is positive because nothing written before it. When we will transpose it towards left hand side, this has to be made as negative. So we are doing the same. So 2x over 3 as it is, this is transposed and it is minus 7x over 15. Here on right hand side we were left with 3, so we wrote equal as it is, 3 as it is, and we are transposing this positive 1 towards right hand side, it becomes minus 1. Now we can solve it, but we cannot straight away solve it because denominators are not same. So here we have 15. Can we make 3 as 15? Well, yes. If we multiply 3 by 5, we can make it 15. So we are doing the same. 3 is multiplied with 5, it becomes 15. But doing so, we will change the ultimate value of this fraction. So we have to do the same. That is, we have to multiply in numerator as well with 5 because we are multiplying denominator with 5. So 5 2 is a 10. So we have 10x. This is just another way of taking LCM. We have just taken our LCM, nothing else. So now the denominators are same on left hand side, we can operate it. This whole expression on left hand side simply means that we have total 15 parts. And in one case we are taking 10x out of 15 parts, and in another we are taking 7x, and they are getting subtracted up. So we have 10x minus 7x, which is 3x, and 15 is our common denominator, equals to 2 as it is. Now we will transpose this 15 towards right hand side. Here it is getting divided up. When we will transpose, it will get multiplied up. So 3x as it is, equal as it is, 2 into 15 is 30. Cancelling opportunity, 1 3 is a 3, 10 3 is a 30. We have separated x and its value came as 10. Now we are going to check it. And first of all, we write the given question as it is. And in place of our variable, here it is x, we will put our solution that we have found. So 2 into 10 is 20. We wrote straight away over 3 as it is, plus 1 equals to as it is. 7 into 10, because we have x here, nothing written in between means multiplication. So 7 into 10 is 70 over 15 plus 3 over 1. We have written it because nothing written below a number. It simply means the denominator is 1. Now we are taking LCM again using this method only that we have used here. In order to make its denominator as 3, we have to completely multiply it with 3, that is in numerator and denominator as well. So we wrote 20 over 3 plus as it is. So we are multiplying it in denominator with 3. So 3. 1 3 is a 3 is 3. Doing so changes its value. So we have to multiply it in numerator as well. Numerator we have 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. Here again, denominator are not same. In order to make this denominator as 15, we have to multiply it with 15. And to keep in mind that our value doesn't change, we have to multiply in numerator as well. So 3 into 15 will be 45. So 3 is getting multiplied with 15 to give you 45, and 1 is getting multiplied with 15. So 15, this as it is, that is 70 over 15 as it is. We have successfully made our denominators same on both sides. Now we can operate it. 20 plus 3 is 23 over 3 as our common denominator equals to as it is 70 plus 45 is 115. That is 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 4 is 11. Denominator is our 15. We cannot cancel here because it is already in simplified form. We can simplify it using our divisibility rule. In the units place we have 5, so it is easily divisible with 5. So 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10, so we wrote 2, 1 is remainder, it becomes 15. So 5 3 is a 15. Now when we observe it, we get 23 over 3, which is same as on left hand side 23 over 3. That makes left hand side equals right hand side. This proves that our solution that we have found as x equals to 10 is correct. This completes our question number 8.